Okay, my fellow farmers all around the world, you see, I don't start work. Don't start to put fire for this farm. The other side still day. See farm they long they go there. No be small farm. Stop playing. So I don't start to dey put this banga mine they call them front. This farm front where you see so. They are wahala too much. So I one day observe this fire because reasons why I did for this summer that I put the fire so that made the fire no. You see, as it before you go moving out for ground now, can't go enter my banga. It's not a good thing. So I have to be on standby. So the thing now be say, I don't put for that side. I have another place I want to put this other way. Here. Now, when I feel they ask, okay, okay, why you won't put fire? Why are you putting fire like this? Because these things where you see the way they hip so, those things they harbor some kind of dangerous reptiles. So they harbor things. Yesterday while I did do that water, yes, I think yes. As I try make for the clear the water, now it big now this black how they call that snake, say black snake, cobra, yes. The thing just come out. So I observe them now. I shift now. I use the stick. I keep on but no concept. Be like say maybe not go, but I killed it and I kept it there in the farm. So reasons why I need, if you get farm, if you after they don't clear your farm, all, the next way you need to do is to put fire, because you see all this heaping. Please, if you be farmer or you want to go into farming, you see these heaps like this when they heap like this, heap things. They're very careful. When you won't go, sometime last year, last 2 years, I clear something inside farm keep. Almost big snake. As I go put fire and I saw big snake under fire and I saw fire take killer. So on I be like this, it is a housing estate for all the reptiles in the world. So now to put fire for there, on I be like that. No go try say you won't go pack them, because you don't know why you want where you go put your hand. You don't know what thing they look you as you they come carry them. You understand? So be careful, be vigilant. As a farmer that you are, be vigilante. So follow me as I put fire for that farm with my lighter. I won't put fire for this other place.
It's an housing estate.
Now they tell you, they don't turn up to housing estate, don't stop playing.
This, that way.
From here. So anywhere you're watching my videos from, find my videos informative, educative, and above all, what engaging. If you find my videos informative, I beg, and educative and above at the same time, what engaging, share my videos to at least for your level minimum of 20 or 10 groups. I don't put fire for here. Now please be vigilant as a farmer. No go carry and put inside there. If you put on there, snake will just come out. You understand? Or any other reptile, maybe what they call this thing, maybe scorpion, or how they call this other dangerous reptile where they do for is it centipede? That one in life no good. So just be careful as they don't clear your farm or put fire the way it did. No go pack things here, just put fire the way it did. So if I find my videos informative, educating my book or what engaging, give this video a thumbs up. You understand? I'll see you guys in the next video. Farm time. I put fire. I never even put fire for the other side. The other side just clear. I'm never dry. So this other side, I don't put fire. Stop playing. Now you the one yourself.